Welcome to another episode of Hey Nice Ride. Unfortunately, my ride is not nice today. Unfortunately, I've really, I'd say, not kept up with its cleaning of the vehicle. A lot of dust, a lot of dirt. This is what my trunk looks like. Even got a lot of leaves, debris up there, 'cause park outside. This is the rear seat. Very, very dirty and dusty and everything like that. And then this is the cockpit of the actual car. Again, very, very dirty. Kind of ashamed of it. Even on my seat there, like a few weeks ago, I spilled food on it. So I got my trusty steam cleaner there to clean out everything. But before I start, I'm going to wipe down all the dust all over the upholstery before I do anything. Trusty vacuum. You've probably seen some of my vacuum cleaning videos before. So here it goes. It's going to be a time lapse. I'm going to use my GoPro, and therefore you see how my cleaning routine is and anything like that. Down the front already, which is good. It looks fantastic with the Maguire wipes. Now I'm going to tackle the back trunk with the vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to set all that up and do my best at it. It's grimy. It's a lot of things due to the fact that I went a lot of camp trips this year, and unfortunately you'll see a lot of the firewood pieces that I had from the wood there, and just a little bit of everything that's all over. So I'm going to scrub away at it. The good thing with this here, it comes with this brush here. So with the brush here, with the vacuum, it should be sweeping all like this and cleaning up the actual debris to make my life a lot easier and make this a lot cleaner itself. So wish me luck, and we'll go from there. So after the vacuum, big difference of the debris that was left over. So I'm gonna get these ones out and even over there for really do a deep shampoo, which I might do probably in the springtime with this lovely machine here. So stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to get all this nice leaves and grime off of here, and that will literally complete the end of the trunk, and then I'll move on to the rear passenger side. So now this is what it looks like. I removed some of the grease, not everything, because grease is good, especially around the hinges. You want to make sure that that has grease on it. If you remove that, then you're kind of euchred. Just gave it a nice wipe down. Trunk is done. So I'd say the back portion of this vehicle is done. Even wiped up a little bit up here as well. So now I'm going to move on to the rear passenger, so the middle seats, and tackle that part. Stay tuned. So the middle row, or the back passenger seat, well, it is back passenger seat because I don't have a last row of seats, but it's not too bad. You'll just see a lot of leaves and a little debris back here. Seats aren't bad. I don't really carry passengers in the back seat, so it's not too bad back here. And I totally forgot I didn't vacuum the front seats, so the front seats and the front mats. So I gotta do that right after this one. So all in all, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. So let's do this. So this is the end results of the back seat. Vacuumed the chairs, vacuumed the mats as well, wiped down the side panels so it's nice and clean. Good old Maguire wipes to the rescue here. Then vacuumed the mats here, vacuumed inside here, and gave it a quick wipe down as well. So it's nice and clean. Now I'm going to tackle this, and I've noticed some spots here as well. So it's just going to be a deep clean on that, and then once that is done, it's it. So I will film this good old bristle cleaning, deep clean scrubber that I got from Amazon, so I'll take care of that and go from there. Okay. So I'm finished the upholstery, really the chair that happened. If you see here, very quick tutorial. This is clean water where you add the solution, and over here is literally the dirty water that came in there. As you can see, it's kind of dark. This seat is gonna stay wet for a couple hours. Good news is I'm gonna add my seat warmer to make the process go a little bit faster for the drying time. As I mentioned earlier, it's a little bit colder these days now than anything, but overall everything is done nice and clean. As I mentioned earlier, just the outside I would need to do again, not the greatest, but I'm gonna run this through the car wash and get everything done. Therefore it's neat and shiny when everything is over with, so it's not too bad. I like to do my best to keep my car as clean as possible. Unfortunately, I neglected the cleaning for the past few weeks just because of my busy schedule for work, but outside of that, it's not bad. Thank you for watching. Hey, nice ride, and let me know your clean schedule. Let me know how often you clean, which is the same thing as a cleaning schedule. Let me know what product you guys use, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, comment. I always love reading people's comments because, hey, we all here to learn new things of doing things and going about keeping our car nice and clean, and even car reviews. I got to do a lot more of it. There's tons of things planned for the near future. Stay tuned. This ride and journey is going to be awesome. I cannot wait. Thank you so much. Bye.